Shipping on this sneaker took forever, like almost 2 weeks, but I got the Air Jordan 3 Cool Gray in my possession. So in today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing, give you a full detailed review, and hit you with it on feet. Let's go. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by, spending your time with me, and watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could just take a moment out to destroy that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. So I actually got the W for this sneaker on Foot Locker's website of all places, but it was really weird because they did the drop at 10 a.m. on release day, but this restocked at 1 p.m. and a friend of mine, reached out to me, let me know that they were available, and I copped the sneaker on there. Now I was fully expecting like a cancellation because they don't normally do that, but it was very surprising that I caught the dub, and I do have them in my hand right here. So we're gonna unbox these sneakers and take a look together and see what we got. Now, I have seen some people complaining on social media that there's been some quality control issues, especially on the back heel portion of the sneaker, where some of the coloring was messed up and just some basic issues that they're, having with the sneaker. But let's see what my pair is looking like. I do like this box. You got the 3/4 box right here with the elephant print on the side. You got the red Jumpman on top of the lid. And it's like that all the way around. Now the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, Silver, Sport Red, Light Graphite. And this is a personal pair, size 8. Retail price was $190. Now inside the box you do have that elephant print tissue paper. Let's see what we got going on here. Now my first impression right out of the box, I really like the color of the sneaker. Now some people are saying that the gray on this is a little bit lighter than the original, and some are saying that it's darker, but in pictures online it's really hard to tell. And like I was saying, there's a lot of people that were saying that they had some QC issues with the red Jumpman and the Air lettering, but mine looks to be okay. But one thing that I have noticed is there is a lot of creasing on the toe box on a lot of pairs that I've seen online, and mine actually has some too. So, I don't know. It seems like a lot of people got that. But overall, right out of the box, the sneaker looks pretty dope. So starting here at the top of the sneaker, you do have this gray part, and it kind of feels like suede, but you could tell it's not. It's probably some kind of nubuck. And it feels that way in the mid portion of the sneaker. But then when you come to the front toe box, it does kind of fade to where, it does kind of feel like, more synthetic leather. And then you do have this gray part right here above the midsole. And then you do get a white midsole. And then here you do get this gray rubber that goes around the front toe box. You do get this orange eyelet here at the top, and then these orange eyelets right here. It comes with all white laces. No other laces come in the box. On the top of the tongue, you do get a red Jumpman. On the back of the sneaker, you do get the red Jumpman again, and then you have the Air in orange. You do get the elephant print on the back heel and the front toe box, and I really like the elephant print a lot. Now on the bottom of the sneaker, you do get a white pod here at the front forefoot, and then you do get another white pod back here with the Jordan red lettering, and then you do have that gray that surrounds the rest of the outsole. Inside of the sneaker, you get an all white sock liner with a white insole, and then you do have that red Jumpman that's on top of the white insole. And 2021 is the year of the cool gray colorway. Right now we're getting the Air Jordan 3 cool gray, and later on in the year for the holiday season, we're getting their cool gray 11s that everyone's looking forward to, myself included. So, I'm happy to add this for right now. But now, let me go ahead and throw these on and show you what they look like on feet. And I honestly feel like if you got an L on this sneaker or you passed on it on release day, you should pick these up right now. On the resale market, they're going between like $210 and $250 depending upon size. And I believe, in my opinion, that in about a year or two, this is gonna be a $300 to $350 sneaker. And if you look back at the 2007 Cool Grey 3s, those were going between like the $350, $400 or so. So I mean, like, I think this sneaker is gonna reach that. It's gonna take a minute. This is a long-term hold, but I think you should jump on this right now. Now, when it comes to sizing, definitely go true to size. So what you would typically wear in an Air Jordan 3, definitely go after that size. I think they are a comfortable sneaker. They're not the most comfortable sneaker in the world, but I find that the, going true to size works best for me. Now, if you have more of a wide foot, you probably want to go up a half size, but I don't really recommend it. Definitely go true to size. But I want to know what you think of my pickup. Is this a cop? Was this a pass? Is this dope or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for stopping by, rocking out with me, and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.